Hey there, Doula here, the craftswoman, and I want to talk about should doulas get paid? I'm asking you a question. Do you feel like doulas should be paid for what they do? First of all, I want to let you know that doulas is an ancient job. It's a job that's been going on. It just they never had the title. Now people call this particular position a doula. So a doula is a woman servant, a person who serves women before, during, and after pregnancy. You have your prenatal doulas, postpartum doulas, fertility doulas, all type of doulas, all these different type of names. But to just make it easier, it's just a woman who supports a pregnant woman or a woman who's about to give birth, a woman who's just given birth. Um, I don't know, for some reason, when you tell people, prospective clients, your prices, they want to not pay them or ask for like donations or try to Jew you down, as somebody says. Um, what you need to understand is a doula is a profession just like you have a job. Now, would it be fair if I asked for you to clock in on no, to go to your job and not clock in? Would it be fair if I asked you to do that? So basically, is it okay if we work for free? Let me tell you what all doulas invest in. I'm talking about professional doulas. I'm not talking about people who just, even if you do it on your side, do it on the side, you still should be getting something because you're giving a lot. First of all, we do pay for education. We should have gone through some type of training, although doulas certification is not standardized. There's no regulation that you have to be a certified doula. Some insurance companies and hospitals are requiring certifications. Some clients ask for certifications, but most of them do not care. We pay for education. I have traveled to get certifications. It has taken me time and money to go learn different things. I've had to buy expensive books to read. So there's a lot of education that we have invested our time and money in to do that type of work. Not only that, it's a lot of time that's taking from us when we go and serve a family, especially for birth doulas. Birth doulas have to miss out on sleep. There's no complaints because we enjoy it. It's a joy to be able to wake up in the middle of the night. Of course, we would rather for a mother to call us in the morning and she have her baby by the afternoon or something like that. But babies use the contraction surges, everything starts to get going at nighttime, whether she delivers at night or the next day or even days later. So you got to think about that. A doula is giving up her time and her rest to get up and go and serve a person, to actually to be on call. She has to be on call. We have to basically sleep with one eye open, make sure our ringer is loud enough for us to hear. Then when we get that call, it's time. We have to get up and go. Have to have gas in our car. We may have to pay for parking. We may be in traffic. What else do we have to pay for? We gotta have food. We never know how long we're even gonna be at a birth. So that's a lot. We have children. We have to accommodate to make sure our children are taken care of. So we may have to pay for a babysitter, or our spouse may have to not go to work just to serve you during your birth. It's also, you need to pay for the fact that you have access to this type of professional. And it's better to get someone who has experience. Of course, it takes time. Everybody is new at something at some point. And so that's why the experienced doulas, the doulas who do have years of experience, are going to cost more than someone who just started a year ago. So you have to take that account. Think about that when it comes to, should I pay for this doula? Also, after we have been at a birth for 1 or 2 days or however long it has taken, we've missed out on things. Maybe we've had to cancel plans. It takes a day or two to kind of get back on track. We're high. We up on adrenaline after the birth and helping you acclimate yourself to your new baby. But at some point, we're going to have a crash. So we're going to have to sleep. So we can neglect house duties if we have a day job, miss out on day job, miss out on work. So it takes time. So I just wanted to ask you, should doulas be free? And if you believe that they should be paid, how much do you feel that they should be paid? And remember, there are different types of doulas. You do have your postpartum doulas that are set by appointment, but of course, they're coming to serve you. That may not be as draining or strenuous on you if you are a birth doula and you have to be spontaneous and just show up at a birth.